चलो, today topic is back bonding. Of course, in NCERT, which are not given our topic back bonding, but previously the questions are asking regarding the back bonding, both NEET examination as well as J examination. So today we are going to discuss what is meant by back bonding. What are the conditions for back bonding? Very simple condition of back bonding. Once again, what is meant by back bonding? Back donation of an electron, pi electrons only. Chalo. Condition for back bonding. Condition for back bonding. What are the conditions for back bonding? So back bonding is formed between the two atoms. Back bonding is formed between the two atoms. Condition is, in one atom, one of the orbitals should be vacant. In another atom, one of the orbitals should have completely filled electrons. As a condition number one, of course, once again I'm repeating this topic which are not given NCERT in NEET point of view. NCERT not given, but sometimes questions are asked regarding this topic. That's why I'm explaining back bonding today. Condition number one atom should have one atom should have vacant orbital. At least one atom should have vacant orbital, at least one vacant orbital. At least one vacant orbital. In another atom, should have at least one completely filled orbital. One completely filled orbital. And more or less both orbitals should have same energy. More or less both orbitals should have similar energy. Both orbitals should have similar energy. A condition for back bonding is, once again, condition for back bonding is, back bonding is always found between the two atoms. So one atom should have at least one vacant orbital, another atom should have at least one completely filled orbital, and both orbitals should have similar energy. If any atom satisfy these three conditions, then between them a bond is formed in nothing but back bonding. We'll discuss one or two examples which are given in NCERT textbook, but not in chemical bonding chapter. In 14 group, like in coordination compounds, they mention the back bonding. Right? Chalo likho. Condition for back bonding. One atom should have at least one vacant orbital. Another atom should have at least one completely filled orbital. Both orbitals should have similar energy. Now, these are the condition. Chalo, we'll do one thing. I can take an example of BF. For a kind of formation between boron and fluorine, the type of bond is nothing but covalent bond. Between boron and fluorine, a covalent bond is formed. For a kind of formation is a planar geometry. sp2 hybridization is planar geometry, sp2 hybridization, bond angle is 120. That you might know very well. Now, after the bond completed, after the bond formation, still, because after the bond formation, we know boron. Boron is a 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. In exile state, it is sp2 hybridization. After bonding is completed, boron having still one vacant orbital, because still one vacant orbital. Boron has still one vacant orbital after the bond formation also. This is a boron. Acha, fluorine आप देख लीजिए, any one of the fluorine, 3 fluorine atoms are there, any one of the fluorine you can take it. So fluorine 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz, Z1 means after the bond completed, you know, these are bond pairs. Each fluorine में bond pair है, एक bond pair है. Bond pairs are participating in bonding, no doubt at all. After the bond formation is over, देखो 1, 2, 3 out of 3, any one completely filled orbital है. देखो completely filled orbital है, one completely filled orbital है. Completely filled orbitals. And more or less is both are having similar energy. Both are 2p orbital. Both are having similar energy. Then between them, the type of bond formed is nothing but back bonding. देखो, after the bond formation is over, one of the boron में, this is 2p orbital of boron, vacant orbital. Vacant 2p orbital of boron. Now, any of the fluorine atom you consider, any of the fluorine atom you consider it is a fluorine atom. Achha, this is also 2p orbital, but this 2p orbital having paid electrons. Paid electrons. After the bond completed, bond formation completed, between them, a type of bond is formed is nothing but back bonding only. This bonding is nothing but back bonding. This bonding is nothing but back bonding. अच्छा, बैक बॉन्डिंग क्या है? ये pp ऑर्बिटल है, pp p pi p pi. This back bonding is what? p pi back bonding होता है. So BF3 is the best example for back bonding. Now previously what questions are asked regarding to back bonding? I'm telling you, these 13 group elements, what questions are asking? In 13 group element, what questions are asking? 13 group element, what questions are asking? अच्छा, BF3, BCl3, BBr3, BI3. Now previous last question sir, previous last question है, APM3 का क्वेश्चन है, JE का क्वेश्चन है, what is the Lewis acid character? Lewis acidic character. What is the order of Lewis acidic nature? अच्छा, for your kind of information, what is the Lewis acid? What is the Lewis acid? I think everybody knows Lewis acid means electron pair acceptor. Electron pair acceptor is called Lewis acid. अच्छा, which can accept a pair of electron? Electron deficient compound. For your kind of information, in all cases, boron is a electron deficient because it is not obeying octet rule. Valence shell में only 6 electrons. But because of back bonding in BF3, boron is reluctant to accept a pair of electron from outside because fluorine already donating backside. Because of back bonding, BF3 is the least Lewis acidic character. Once again, this is the order of acidic nature. So why it is the least Lewis acidic character? Because of back bonding. Once again, I am explaining you. Achha, what is meant by Lewis acid means electron pair acceptor. Achha, in all cases, boron is electron deficient. All compounds are having 6 electron valence shell. But which is a more tendency can accept a pair of electron, BA3. The reason is बैक बॉन्डिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट absent है because बोरान का 2p है. अच्छा आयोडीन का होता है क्या है 5p है. अच्छा 2p है 5p है. एनर्जी डिफरेंस ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा है. Huge difference is there. Energy gap between 2p and 5p. Back bonding is not possible. Boron can accept a pair of electron very easily. That's why boron is more Lewis acidic character. But in case of BF3, almost boron 2p, fluorine 2p, both are having nearly similar energy. Because of both are nearly similar energy, back donation is possible from fluorine. So boron reluctant to accept a pair of electron. So BF3 is the least acidic character. So previous last question I note that. So why BF3 is the least acidic character is because of back bonding. Back bonding. I think you understand. After the bond is completed, one atom should have completely filled orbitals. Another atom should have vacant orbital. Both orbitals should have nearly same energy. Then back donation is possibility there. So because of back bonding, Lewis acidic character decreases only. These which are not given in NCERT in chemical bonding, but which are given in 13 group elements. Note करो. So once again, condition for back bonding is possible between the two atoms. One atom should have vacant atomic orbital, another atom should have completely filled orbital, and both orbitals should have nearly same energy. Then back donation is possible between the two atoms. If any one of the conditions not satisfied, there is a little chance for formation of back bonding. In case of BA3, almost negligible because energy gap ज़्यादा है 2p and 5p के बीच में, right? So shall we move to next one more example which are given 14 group element में regarding to back bonding. Now 14 group elements में. In 14 group elements, अच्छा, what questions are asked regarding the back bonding is, देखो NH3, NCH3 taken thrice, NSiH3 taken thrice. For your kind of information, all three compounds are nothing but a molecule of the type A, B3, L type, E type. Achha, according to A, B3, E type, all are pyramidal in shape. अच्छा, A, B3, E type है. For your kind of information regarding the Westport theory, A, B3, E type है. Geometry tetrahedral and shape is pyramidal होना चाहिए. But it is a pyramidal line, no doubt at all. Of course, it is also pyramidal line. अच्छा, reason देखो. अच्छा, CH3. Back bonding is not possible है. Back bonding is not possible है. Reason देखो. अच्छा, first condition satisfied by one of the atoms should have vacant orbital is satisfied है. But second atom है, कार्बन में completely filled orbital नहीं है. कार्बन tetravalent है. Tetravalence is satisfied है. Neither vacant orbital nor completely filled orbital है. There is no chance of formation of back bonding in case of NCH3 taken thrice है. That's why it's a pyramidal geometry. But in case of third compound of देख लीजिए, in third compound is a planar geometry. अच्छा, this is a planar geometry only. Reason is क्या है? Why these two are pyramidal है? And third compound why it is a planar molecule है? Because of back bonding है. Back bonding कैसा है? देखो. SiH3. Now condition है. One of the condition for back bonding में one of the orbital should have lone pair of electron, completely filled electrons है. Okay. But silicon having vacant d orbital है. Silicon is nothing but silicon में 3d orbitals are vacant है. So one vacant orbital, one completely filled orbital है. And more or less both are having nearly same size है. So the bonding is formed between them is nothing but back bonding. This bonding is nothing but back bonding. Which type of back bonding? This is a p pi d pi. अच्छा नाइट्रोजन में p pi ऑर्बिटल है and सिलिकॉन में dfp ऑर्बिटल है. This type of back bonding is nothing but p pi d pi back bonding. Because of p pi d pi back bonding है, this is nothing but what is the geometry? The planar molecule होता है. The geometry is nothing but planar molecule होता है. Once again, a pyramidal line. This is also pyramidal line. This is why this is planar. First two compound में options of this is options of back bonding है. Options of back bonding है. अच्छा थर्ड कंपाउंड में सो प्रेजेंट बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ बैक बॉन्डिंग है इंस्टेड ऑफ पिरामिडल है दिस शेप होता है प्लेनर में. नोट करो. अच्छा बैक बॉन्ड वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग आई रिमाइंडेड यू बैक बॉन्डिंग कांसेप्ट आर नॉट मेंशन्ड इन एनसीईआरटी इन केमिकल बॉन्डिंग है बट 13 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स में 14 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स में some questions are asked regarding to back bonding. That's why we are discussing back bonding in particularly in chemical bonding also. Note karo. Acha, one more chapter also we discuss back bonding, that is coordination compounds. That also we can discuss it. All right. Chalo. One more concept where we use this back bonding is 12th standard में. You know, metal carbonyl compounds में there are three types of bonds are there. Sigma bonded compounds है, pi organometallic compounds है, sigma pi organometallic compounds. अच्छा, in case of sigma pi organometallic compounds है, we used back bonding. Best example is metal carbonyls. Metal carbonyl compounds. Actually, we know organometallic compounds are nothing but Grignard reagents, single bond in 5 bond. I think you might know very well. Ferrocene है, GCS salt है, अच्छा benzene chromium complex है, which are already you studied in coordination compounds में type of organometallic compounds है. Third type I am going to discuss because now today topic is back bonding. Metal carbonyl compounds. Best example है निकिल कार्बोनाइल है, अच्छा आयरन कार्बोनाइल है. Like these are nothing but example for carbonyl compounds. Metal carbonyl compounds में क्या है? वो सिग्मा बॉन्ड और पाई बॉन्ड. This pi bond is nothing but back bonding. This pi bond is nothing but back bonding. You know how we studied in 12th standard है. अच्छा for your kind of information already we discussed है. In a complex compound between metal and ligand, in a complex compound like in a complex compounds है, for your kind of information previous knowledge है, you might know very well between metal and ligand है, always type of bond is found in nothing but day2 bond. Day2 bond is nothing but single bond. Day2 bond is nothing but single bond. देखो example देखो ऐसा between metal है and CO, carbon monoxide. अच्छा day2 bond है, shall I write like day2 bond? This is sigma bond. This is sigma bond. Now after the bonding is completed, for your kind of information, you might know very well. Metal having completely filled orbitals also. अच्छा vacant orbital also there completely filled. Vacant orbital accept a ferrofluorine from ligand. Type of bond formed is day2 bond only. After the bond completed, some metals are having completely filled orbitals, completely filled orbital, fully. Some of the metals are having completely filled orbital. अच्छा further chapter we are going to discuss है carbon monoxide में anti bonding molecular orbital also there. Vacant anti bonding molecular orbital. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड में complete कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड में अच्छा स्टार पाई मतलब एंटी बॉन्डिंग वेकेंट molecular orbitals. Anti-bonding vacant orbitals are also present in carbon monoxide. Such a condition you might know very well. What conditions are required? One orbital should have vacant orbital, another orbital should have completely filled orbitals. Then this donation is nothing but this overlapping is nothing but pi bond होता है. यहाँ pi bond बनता है. Sigma pi organometallic compound. Best example is nothing but this one. For a conformation, that's the reason why. Whenever iron carbon monoxide complex बनता है, carboxyhemoglobin is very stable complex है when compared to oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin is not stable compound है, but carboxyhemoglobin is most stable compound है because of type of bond sigma pi. Back bonding is also possibility. It is the most stable compound है. अच्छा फर्क करने का I reminded you. अच्छा special type of bond called synergic bond. A new bond is called synergic. What's this bond? Sigma pi. Bond is nothing but synergistic bond. अच्छा which are you studied in 12th standard है complex compound में. What is meant by back bonding? Once again, back bonding we discussed in chemical bonding, but actually which are given in 13th group है, 14th group element है, and coordination compounds में. Once again, in brief, I am explaining you once again in brief. Back bonding is always found between the two atoms. One atom should have vacant orbital, another atom should have completely filled orbital. Both orbital having nearly same energy, then back donation is possibility there. अच्छा example we discuss 13 group elements में acidic character, Lewis acidic character है. 14 group elements में YnSiS3 taken thrice is a planar geometry है, even though it is a AB3E type model है. But in coordination compounds में for special type of bond sigma pi conjugation is possible only because of back bonding of metal and ligand में anti bonding molecular orbital में vacant orbital के बीच में. So this is a back bonding which are given in our NCERT textbook. Note करो, just 1 minute 2 minute revise करो, then we go for bond parameters. Nothing but bond length, bond energy and bond angle. चलो देखो. Right? But next topic getting is bond parameters. Bond parameters. Next topic is bond parameters. Bond parameters. Bond parameters. अच्छा what are given NCERT में? Bond length है, bond length है, bond energy, bond enthalpy, bond angle, अच्छा bond order. अच्छा नोट करो, one by one we can discuss. Bond parameters which are given NCERT textbook में क्या दिया? अच्छा bond length है, bond energy, bond angle and bond order. अच्छा what kind of question they may ask regarding to bond parameters? Right, once again bond parameters में क्या क्या है? Bond length है, bond energy, bond angle and bond order. So the put heading first one, bond length. What do you mean by bond length? What do you mean by bond length? Take for example, we know different kind of radius. Covalent radius also there, metallic radius also there. Suppose I go for covalent radius. अच्छा because covalent bond है. अच्छा in case of covalent radius है. अच्छा covalent radius is between the two non-metals. अच्छा this nuclei to this nuclei. अच्छा this distance what they call as internuclear distance है. इंटरन्यूक्लियर डिस्टेंस है. अच्छा दिस इंटरन्यूक्लियर डिस्टेंस को क्या है? बॉन्ड लेंथ. अच्छा हाउ मेजर द बॉन्ड लेंथ? दिस इज मेजर ऑलरेडी वी डिस्कस्ड दैट. टाइप्स ऑफ रेडियस, कोवेलेंट रेडियस है, मेटालिक रेडियस है, वैन डर वाल्स रेडियस. नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द बॉन्ड पैरामीटर्स इन कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. दैट्स व्हाई कोवेलेंट रेडियस I consider it. So between the two nuclei of the bonded atoms, the distance is nothing but bond length only. Achha, what are the factors influence the bond length? What are the factors influence the bond length only? Now note karo, what are the factors influence the bond length only? Bond length only. First factor, as size of the atom increases. Factor number 1. If size of the atom increases, obviously bond length also increases. Obviously bond length also increases. Size of the atom increases, obviously bond length also increases. For example, आप देख लीजिए, for example, HF है, HCl है, HBr है, H है. Size of the atom increases, bond length increases. आप देखो ये दोनों को बीच में है. अच्छा यहाँ देखो हाइड्रोजन का वही है, बट आयोडीन का आप देख लीजिए बहुत बड़ा है. इसका डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होता ना, ये डिस्टेंस कम होता है. Means size of the atom increases, obviously its bond length increases. Factor number 1 you can note करो. Size of the atom increases, bond length increase होता है. Size of the atom increases, bond length also increases है. अच्छा एग्जाम्पल 2 है, आयोडीन है, Br2, Cl2, F2. Once again same reason है. Size of the atom increases, bond length also increases only. As the size of the atom increases in case of iodine है, बहुत बड़ा है. Size of the atom increases, its bond length increases only. अच्छा example 2 note करो. Size of the atom increases, bond length also increases है. Size of the atom increases, bond length also increases. Size of the atom increases, bond length also increases. Size of the atom increases, bond length also increases. अच्छा multiplicity increases है between the similar atoms. Increases है. अच्छा bond length decreases है. Bond length decreases है. देखो multiplicity between the similar atom increases है, bond length decreases है. Example देखो. अच्छा C से single bond है. अच्छा C से double bond है. अच्छा C से single double bond. Between the two similar atoms है, multiplicity means single bond है, double bond है, triple bond है. number of bonds increases, multiplicity increases, bond length decreases only. For your kind of information, CC bond length here 1.54 angstrom is, here 1.34 angstrom is, here 1.20 angstrom is. देखो 1.54 angstrom is, 1.34 1.20 angstrom is. देख लीजिए, multiplicity between the two similar atom increases, bond length decreases only. अच्छा, the same point we can write, we can also note करो here hybridization है. अरे देखो ये वाला क्या है, ये sp3 hybridization है, ये sp2 hybridization है, ये sp hybridization है. मतलब percentage of s character increases, s character increases, bond length decreases. Simply bond length decreases. अच्छा, percentage of s character increases, percentage of s character increases is bond length decreases. Percentage of s character increases is bond length decreases. Percentage of s character increases is bond length decreases. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है, प्रीवियसली आंसर क्वेश्चन है. प्रीवियसली आंसर APMT का क्वेश्चन है, AMT का क्वेश्चन है. अच्छा, O3 O2 अच्छा O3 है, O2 है, between them which is a more bond length है, O2 और O3 है. अच्छा देखो O2 क्या है, डबल बॉन्ड है. अच्छा O3 क्या है, O3 में रेजोनेंस है. Suppose they ask the question one more also. Suppose they ask H2O2. अच्छा H2O2 में आप देख लीजिए, अच्छा ये O के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्ड है, ये डबल बॉन्ड है. ये डबल बॉन्ड है. Now here in between double bond and single bond, double bond and single bond and single bond. अच्छा, for your kind of information, multiplicity increases between the two atoms, its bond order decreases only. अच्छा H2O2 में O के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्ड है, obviously bond length increases in H2O2. Obviously bond length increases in H2O2 because single bond. Then when compared to double bond है, here because of resonance, just like benzene also, because of resonance है, bond length lies between single bond and double bond है. Then next come to O3 है and O2. देखो यह डबल बॉन्ड है, प्यूरली डबल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड है, यह सिंगल बॉन्ड है. बिकॉज ऑफ रेजोनेंस बॉन्ड लेंथ, बिकॉज ऑफ रेजोनेंस है, बिकॉज ऑफ रेजोनेंस है, बॉन्ड लेंथ लाइज बिटवीन द सिंगल बॉन्ड एंड डबल बॉन्ड. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन प्रीवियसली आस्क्ड APMT एग्जामिनेशन में, नोट करो. अच्छा O3 O2 H2O2 दे आर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन है, so which of the following is correct order of bond length है, O bond length. दे आर आस्किंग O bond length क्या है, O bond length क्या है, bond length order क्या है, O bond length का order है. अच्छा this is correct order है, H2O2 O3 and O2, because O2 में double bond है, H2O2 में between oxygen atom है, single bond है, O3 is because of resonance है, lies between single bond and double bond. The correct order, this is correct order. Now shall I give one more question regarding the same है bond length के लिए similar question है. अच्छा similar question है. अच्छा CO32 minus CO and CO2. अच्छा bond order of CO bond order. They are asking CO bond order. CO bond order. Bond length, sorry. CO bond length. What is the CO bond length order है? देखो CO2 में क्या है? कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड है. अच्छा CO में क्या है? कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है. अच्छा CO3 में क्या है? Between carbon and oxygen, type of bond is nothing but between single bond and double bond. Resonance, because of this resonance, bond length always lies between single bond and double bond. Bond length lies between single bond and double bond. And double bond. Here obviously double bond and triple bond. So now which of the following is a more CO bond length? Which is more CO bond length obviously. So more CO bond length is for carbonate. CO bond length के लिए carbonate है. इसके बाद है CO2 है because of double bond है. CO में क्या है? Triple bond है. Note करो. According to bond length है, they're asking the questions like that. Size of the atom increases, bond length increases. Whereas multiplicity increases, bond length decreases. Like examples are these. Percentage of vascularity increases, bond length decreases. If whenever any molecule having resonance, the bond length always lies between single bond and double bond. So this is a question previously asked regarding to bond length. Now shall we move to bond energy? Shall we move to next bond energy? Note करो, shall we move to bond next bond energy? Right? Bond energy. अच्छा for diatomic molecule के लिए bond energy, bond enthalpy same है. अच्छा for your kind of information, you can remember bond energy is inversely proportional to bond length. Bond energy inversely proportional to bond length. Now, what is the first point? What we discussed is as point number one in bond length. What we discussed is if size of the atom increases, bond energy decreases. Bond energy decreases. Actually, likewise, example also HFI, HCl, HBr, HI. So for a kind of information, we know HF is having more bond energy than HCl, than HI. As size of the atom increases, bond energy decreases. As the size of the atom increases, bond energy decreases. 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 But unlike this, it's a very important point है, very important point है. ये 5 स्टार का क्वेश्चन है. 5 स्टार का क्वेश्चन मतलब प्रीवियसली आंसर क्वेश्चन है. जेई एग्जाम में और नीट एग्जाम में दिस क्वेश्चन सर आस्क है. क्या वाला ये वाला. अच्छा, F2 Cl2 Br2 I2 में. अच्छा, फॉर डायटोमिक के लिए बॉन्ड एनर्जी शुड बी इक्वल टू बॉन्ड डिसोसिएशन एनर्जी. नाउ वेरी इजी टू डिसोसिएट I2 मॉलिक्यूल के लिए. सो एज यूजुअल iodine is the least energy bond energy, no doubt. Then Br2, but F2 is also very small when compared to chlorine. That's why exceptional cases. Fluorine being a very small size, more repulsions are possible. Because of repulsions are easily you can break out when compared to chlorine. Chlorine is optimum size. Because of optimum size, more bond dissociation energy, very difficult to break it. This exceptional case you need to remember only. Achha, very simple. Iodine and bromine too large, very easy to break it. But fluorine being very small size, repulsive forces are dominating. So because of repulsive forces, molecules are easily break. Then Cl2 is optimum size, very difficult to break it. Note करो. Sorry, here, 1 second. This order is iodine है, उसके बाद फ्लोरीन है. अच्छा, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन both are optimum size. Both are optimum size. This is order you can know. Bromine, chlorine very optimum size, very difficult to break it, but fluorine is very too small and iodine is very large, very easy to break it. Why fluorine is even though very small size, fluorine is less bond dissociation energy because of repulsive forces. देखो, ये एक वाला फ्लोरीन है, दूसरा वाला फ्लोरीन. अच्छा, फ्लोरीन में लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अच्छा, ये फ्लोरीन में लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. जब बॉन्ड पेयर होता है, बॉन्ड ऐसा होता है. बट बिकॉज ऑफ लोन पेयर रिपल्शन है, इस बॉन्ड को हम इजीली ब्रेक सकता है. That's why fluorine is having even a less bond dissociation energy when compared to bromine and iodine also. So note करो. This is a 5-star question. In case of bond energy के लिए. Next point, multiplicity increases. Multiplicity increases. Bond energy also increases. Like ethylene, CC triple bond, more bond dissociation energy when compared to double bond. Actually, when compared to single bond. Multiplicity increases and bond energy also increases. Here triple bond and double bond and single bond. Similarly, अच्छा, N triple bond N, O double bond O, and H single bond H. Among the atoms, similar atoms, multiplicity increases, bond energy also increases. देखो, which is having more bond energy than O than hydrogen. So multiplicity increases, bond energy also increases. Multiplicity increases, bond energy also increases. But sir, question is, among the single bond compounds, among the single bond compounds. Between the two similar atoms. Between the two similar atoms. Hydrogen is the highest bond dissociation energy. Dissociation energy. अच्छा एग्जाम्पल देखो एक एग्जाम्पल देखो अच्छा H single bond H, C single bond C, N single bond N, अच्छा O single bond O, F single bond F. Suppose like questions like compounds are asked. अच्छा you need to remember over here bond energy inversely proportional to lone pair of electrons around the atoms. अच्छा देखो हाइड्रोजन में कोई लोन पेयर नहीं है एंड बीइंग वेरी स्मॉल साइज है लोन पेयर नहीं है इफ लोन पेयर इज repulsive force are dominating easily can break the molecule. हाइड्रोजन में लोन पेयर नहीं है बीइंग वेरी स्मॉल साइज है वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रेक इट. अच्छा कार्बन में भी वेरी स्मॉल साइज है ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू हाइड्रोजन लार्ज साइज है but there is no again lone pair there is no lone pair है highest bond dissociation energy no doubt at all. But नाइट्रोजन में एक lone pair है because of lone pair repulsion है bond easily can break when compared to carbon and hydrogen है. But in case of oxygen है ये दो lone pair है lone pair which are more है. But in case of fluorine है again 3 lone pairs are there so number of lone pairs increases है देखो number of lone pairs increases है bond energy also decreases है note कर डायटोमिक के लिए bond energy should be is equal to bond dissociation energy. In case of two different elements है in case of two different elements है in case of two different elements है like C triple bond O is more than N triple bond N, then C triple bond N, then C triple bonds. Note kar. For this which are not given NCERT textbook है, but for your information I am providing all this data. In case of two different elements हैं, देखो all are triple bonds only. Multiplicity का कोई लेना देना नहीं है ये, but ये polarity का main important role होता है. C triple bond O is a more polar, is a more bond energy. अच्छा very easy to break CC है, because non-polar molecule होता है. Right? चलो next. Next bond angle है. Next is nothing but bond angle. Next is nothing but bond angle. अच्छा, I think you might know very well regarding the hybridization. Already you studied. In hybridization में the angle between any two hybrid orbital is called bond angle. Based on hybridization, we can assess the bond angle. For example, sp hybridization में bond angle होता है 180. अच्छा sp hybridization में bond angle होता है 120. अच्छा sp hybridization में bond angle होता है 109 degrees 28 minutes. sp3d में bond angles are not equal है 90 degrees also possible, 120 degrees also possible. अच्छा sp3d2 में all bond angles are 90 है. So in case of sp3d3, the bond angles are nothing but 90 also possibility there, 7 to also possible. अच्छा, this when this is possible है, if all are bond pairs. If all are bond pairs. Suppose in case of same hybridization है, with the same hybridization है, with the same hybridization है, number of lone pairs increases, bond angle decreases. अच्छा, for a kind information, CH4 है, NH3 है, H2. देखो लोन पेयर है, नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर एक है, नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर 2 है. अच्छा, इन केस ऑफ कार्बन में कोई लोन पेयर नहीं. Then you know bond angle sir, 109 degrees 28 minutes है इसका bond angle है. अच्छा, अमोनिया का bond angle is 107 है. अच्छा, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का bond angle 105, approximately 105.30 degrees, 105 है. So मतलब here we can conclude that with the same hybridization है, number of lone pairs are increases है, bond angle decreases है. If without lone pairs है, these are fixed है. देखो without lone pair है, these are fixed है. sp में 180 है, sp2 में 120 है, sp3 में 109 28 minutes में, sp3d sp3. Without lone pairs है, this is fixed है. But whenever bond lone pairs are present है, then first example, first application आप note करो. ये note करो. With the same hybridization है, number of lone pairs increases, bond angle decreases. The same hybridization है, number of lone pairs increases, bond angle decreases. Shall we move to next? Next, with the same hybridization है, with the same hybridization है, same number of lone pairs है, then bond angle है directly proportional to En of the element, electronegativity of the element. अच्छा, बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ 15th ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स में, 16th ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स में बेस्ट एग्जांपल है NH3 है, PH3 है, ASH3 है, like SPH3 है, BH. देखो सेम है, बॉन्ड एंगल डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ द एलिमेंट ओनली. देखो सेम, नो ऑल दीज आर नथिंग बट AB3 E टाइप है, ऑल आर पिरामिडल ज्योमेट्री, पिरामिडल शेप है, ज्यामिति टेट्राहेड्रल, ऑल आर पिरामिडल. अच्छा, सेम बॉन्ड पेयर्स हैं, सेम लोन पेयर्स आल्सो देयर, बट इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन बॉन्ड एंगल, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन क्या है. आप देखो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ द एलिमेंट, मतलब बॉन्ड एंगल डिक्रीज लाइक दिस. अच्छा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है 15 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स. अच्छा, वेरी सिंपल फंडा है. अच्छा, आप फॉर्मूला ऐड करो. वेरी सिंपल फंडा क्या है? नाइट्रोजन बीइंग वेरी स्मॉल साइज है, इसमें एक लोन पेयर है, अच्छा, shall we write bond pairs like this? Bond pair. अच्छा, similarly I go for bismuthine. अच्छा, बहुत बड़ा है, some areas loan pairs है. अच्छा, bond pairs also like this. अच्छा, whenever this is a En value more है, EN वैल्यू मोर है, EN वैल्यू लेस है। अच्छा दिस देखो, this bond pair of electron move towards more EN value, more repulsions है। this bond pair move towards lone pair है। lone pair bond pair के बीच में repulsions वही होता है, lone pair bond pair में little bit bond angle increases होता है, but such repulsions are not possible over here because bond pair is away from here. When compared to bismuth, hydrogen is a more EN value, means this bond pair move towards hydrogen, there is no repulsion at all, lone pair and bond pair है, bond angle में कोई change नहीं होता है। So this is the reason why bond angle directly proportional to EN of the element only. If EN of the element increases, bond angle obviously increases only. The same funda, the same thing you already studied in 16th group. 16th group also. H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2T. So देखो bond angle increases है. For a conformation, this bond angle is 104.5, 105 approximately. अच्छा this देखो 90 to 90 approximately 90 है, अच्छा 90 में जाता है। So bond angle decreases only. देखो bond angle directly proportional to EN of the element. When देखो same aberration है, same number of lone pairs है, same aberration है, same number of lone pairs है, note करो। And surrounding atoms also same है. In this case, you can take it. Surrounding atoms also same है. Central atom is different. मतलब central atom EN value increases, bond angle also increases. Bond angle also increases. Now उसका उल्टा स्टेटमेंट है, रिवर्स स्टेटमेंट क्या है? Now उल्टा स्टेटमेंट क्या है? If central atom is same, and surrounding atoms are different, then bond angle is inversely proportional to, directly proportional to electronegativity of the element, particularly surrounding element. मतलब surrounding element में less EN value है, bond angle is more है। The best example आपके लिए OF2 है, H2O। तब आप देख लीजिए सेंट्रल एटम ऑक्सीजन है, सराउंडिंग एटम फ्लोरीन है, सराउंडिंग एटम हाइड्रोजन है, सराउंडिंग एटम EN वैल्यू डिक्रीजेस है, अच्छा बॉन्ड एंगल इंक्रीजेस है। फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन दिस 105 डिग्रीज है, देखो दिस 103 डिग्रीज है, 103 डिग्रीज है, 10 103 डिग्रीज है। क्या इसका बॉन्ड एंगल इसका ज्यादा है, बॉन्ड एंगल इसका। पर देखो इफ central atom is the same, surrounding atoms are different, then bond angle is inversely proportional to EN of the surrounding element. The best example of that is OF2 and H2O. Like in OF2 and Cl2, इसका ज्यादा है बॉन्ड एंगल। अच्छा these are our previous class में questions on bond angle. अच्छा, without any lone pairs, the bond angle, I think as for aberration, you might remember all very easy था. Whenever lone pairs are given, central atom is same is given, central atom different is given, we can understand this one. If central atom is same is given, then surrounding atom En value. If surrounding atoms are same is given, the central atom En value directly proportional to bond angle. Surrounding atom En value inversely proportional to bond angle. All these are data which are provided in NCERT textbook also. Then previously asked one question, APMT का question है. APMT का question है. अच्छा, BF3, BCl3, BBr3, BA3. Can you tell bond angle order है? ये central atom same है and surrounding atoms are different है. Then which is having more bond angle है? अच्छा, there asked the question is regarding to bond angle. Bond angle. Regarding to bond angle. Regarding to bond angle. Which is having more bond angle है? अच्छा, here question is में bond angles are same, all are equal है. Bond angles are equal है because central atom में no lone pair है. Previous example में central atom में lone pair है. Central atom में lone pair है. If central atom में no lone pair है, the bond angle में कोई difference नहीं है. अच्छा, if suppose there is no, I said now there is no lone pair, all are sp2 hybridization. Other sp2 hybridization means bond angle is 120. Whenever this ambiguity will come, whenever these exceptions are come, if there is any lone pairs present in the central atom, according to Vesper theory, then only hybridization में bond angles में difference होता है. अच्छा देखो, ये bond angle का difference. I said ना, percentage of S character. I think you remember how to find the percentage of S character also. Based on bond angle, S character में difference होता है. Once again, I am repeating it. Cos theta is equal to S by 1 minus S. ये हमने याद किया percentage of S character के लिए. अच्छा, if when it is possible, when we are using this, for example, cos theta is equal to 180. Cos theta is equal to 180. मतलब linear है. Cos 180 कितना है? -1. So देखो 100 minus 100 S. 100 minus S. अच्छा, -1 is equal to S by 100 minus S. Minus 100 is equal to S minus 100. -1 is equal to S by S minus 100. अच्छा, minus S plus 100 is equal to S. अच्छा, 2S is equal to 100 S is equal to 50%. Suppose bond angle में change होता है because of lone pair bond pair repulsion. Percentage of S character में change होता है, percentage of P character में भी change होता है. अच्छा, very rare cases they are asking, particularly in JEE advanced only they are asking. NEET examination they never ask according to this angle. But these models are important. Without any lone pair, bond angle is same है, it's same hybridization. अच्छा, with same hybridization है, central atom में lone pair increases है, bond angle decreases है. If central atom is different है, surrounding atoms are same है, then bond angle increases with increase in En value of the central atom. If surrounding atoms are different, central atom is same, so En value of surrounding atom decreases, is bond angle increases only. अच्छा, previous last question all are same model sp2 hybridization bond angle is 120 because there is no lone pair, right? This kind of question they may ask you. And the last and but not least, bond order, because anyhow MOT also we are going to discuss, but here I am giving brief discussion regarding to bond order. अच्छा bond order है. चलो bond order. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर. अच्छा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर का मतलब सिंपली नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स. नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स. अच्छा फॉर डायटोमिक के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन एमओटी है बॉन्ड ऑर्डर है, बट सिंपली हियर बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू बॉन्ड एनर्जी, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू बॉन्ड, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू बॉन्ड. आई विल टेल यू सिंपल एग्जांपल है. अच्छा H अच्छा वो डबल बॉन्ड वो N ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N. देखो ये नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स बिटवीन द टू एटम्स आर 1 है. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 1. ये नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स बिटवीन द टू ऑक्सीजन एटम्स 2 है. अच्छा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 2. अच्छा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 3. इसको बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इंक्रीजेस, बॉन्ड एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस, बॉन्ड लेंथ डिक्रीजेस. सिंपल फंडा आप याद करो, बिकॉज़ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है एमओटी है, where you can discuss in detail how to find out bond order for diatomic molecule. अच्छा आप सिंपली याद करो, number of bonds increases, bond order increases. But bond order में bond order not only integers है, sometimes negative bond order also there, and positive values also there, fractional values also there. Bond order है. So देखो bond order का क्या है? Bond order nothing but number of bonds between the two atoms only. But in case of hydrogen bond order 1 है, in case of oxygen is bond order 2 है, in case of nitrogen bond order 3 होता है. अच्छा इन केस ऑफ पॉलीएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल है, देखो इन केस ऑफ पॉलीएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल है, having resonance structures, having resonance structures, having resonance structures. So formula for bond order. Formula for bond order. Formula for bond order. 1 plus number of pi bonds divided by number of sigma bonds where delocalization takes place. Where delocalization possible. And this is formula for bond order for polyatomic molecule. Polyatomic molecule. Bond order is equal to 1 plus number of pi bonds divided by number of sigma bonds where delocalization possible. अच्छा diatomic molecule very easy था. You can easily count the number of bonds है. अच्छा single bond है, bond order 1 है, double bond है, bond order 2 है, triple bond है, bond order 3 है. Of course, bond order fractional values we are going to discuss in MOT. But polyatomic molecule के लिए bond order का formula होता है 1 plus number of pi bonds upon number of sigma bonds where delocalization possibility है. अच्छा example number 1. Example number 1 O3 molecule देखो. O3 molecule देखो. अच्छा O3 molecule में वो डबल बॉन्ड वो डे टू बॉन्ड. अच्छा रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर इज पॉसिबल ना, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग बॉन्ड ऑर्डर है. अच्छा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस अच्छा हाउ मेनी pi bonds are there? 1 pi bond, only 1 pi bond, 1 divided by how many sigma bond where delocalization. अच्छा delocalization का मतलब pi bond यहाँ भी पॉसिबल है, यहाँ भी पॉसिबल है. मतलब delocalization में how many sigma bond? They do bond also sigma bond. अच्छा how many sigma bonds are possible? 2 sigma bonds are possible. अच्छा where delocalization possible? You have to count number of sigma bonds. अच्छा number of sigma bonds are 2. अच्छा कितना है? 1.5. अच्छा bond order of O3 molecule is 1.5. अच्छा 1 plus number of pi bonds है 1 है. number of sigma bond will delocalization take place, which is equal to 2. So bond order for O3 molecule which is equal to 1.5. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है. अच्छा बेंजीन है, देखो बेंजीन है. देखो बेंजीन है. अच्छा बेंजीन में आउटसाइड हाइड्रोजन आल्सो देयर. देखो बॉन्ड ऑर्डर चाहिए. 1 प्लस नंबर ऑफ 5 बॉन्ड्स काउंट करो 3. अच्छा 1 2 3. नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स है 6. अच्छा व्हाट आर सिग्मा बॉन्ड? सिग्मा 5 सिग्मा 5 सिग्मा सिग्मा अच्छा सिग्मा 5 सिग्मा. काउंट करो सिग्मा 1 2 3 4 5 6. अच्छा I am not counting the sigma bond from outside the ring. I am not counting the sigma bond from outside the ring. Because these are not involved in delocalization. Delocalization is possible है वाला. Delocalization possible है ऐसा. Inside the ring only delocalization possible है. That's why you can count number of sigma bond where delocalization take place है. Again once again bond order is nothing but 1.5. 1.51. Bond order of O3 molecule है. Bond order of benzene molecule है. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है बॉन्ड ऑर्डर के लिए. अच्छा PO4 3 माइनस है. व्हाट इज द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर है? अच्छा देखो ये वाला ना बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कैलकुलेशन कर. अच्छा वंस प्रीवियसली आस्क्ड APMT. अच्छा वन टाइम APMT में दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड. अच्छा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर का 1 प्लस नंबर ऑफ 5 बॉन्ड्स कितना है? 1. नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड वे डिलोकलाइजेशन है. अच्छा डिलोकलाइजेशन यहाँ भी पॉसिबल, ऑल पॉसिबल. अच्छा 1 2 3 मतलब हाउ मेनी सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स आर देयर? 3 सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स आर देयर. 4 सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स आर देयर. अच्छा 1.25 बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ऑफ PO बॉन्ड ऑर्डर विद PO4 3 माइनस व्हिच इज इक्वल टू 1.25. चलो ये बहुत ही आसान था. लाइक कार्बोनेट आयन है CO3 माइनस. अब देखो CO3 माइनस में रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर है. अच्छा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस नंबर ऑफ 5 बॉन्ड्स आर 1 है. नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स काउंट करो. सिग्मा 5 सिग्मा सिग्मा. हाउ मेनी सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स आर? ओनली 3 सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स आर. नथिंग बट 1.33. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर फॉर CO in CO3 minus which is equal to 1.33. Like ClO4 minus में बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कितना है? ClO4 minus का how will write ClO4 minus? ये डबल बॉन्ड है, ये डबल बॉन्ड है, ये डबल बॉन्ड है. ऑक्सीजन में वो ये की माइनस है, ओनली 1 माइनस है, ना 3 माइनस, 1 माइनस है. रिमेनिंग शुड बी डाइवेलेंट होना चाहिए. सो बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस नंबर ऑफ 5 बॉन्ड्स आर 3. नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स आर काउंट करो. नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स आर 1 2 3 4 sigma bonds. That's nothing but 1.75. 1.75. Similarly, try for SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. देखो, I will write SO4 2 minus. ये वाला. अच्छा, how to find out bond order है? How to find out bond order है? Very simple one. Bond order is equal to 1 plus number of pi bonds है 2. Number of sigma bonds है 1 2 3 4. अच्छा 1 plus 1 by 2 है nothing but 1.5. अच्छा in case of polyatomic molecule very easy to find out bond order by using the formula 1 plus number of pi bonds upon number of sigma bonds where delocalization takes place.